The world of manufacturing is evolving rapidly. Products are developed and brought to market on shorter timelines. Automation is now accessible to startups and large enterprises alike. Production lines are becoming more flexible, and there's a growing focus on smart factories and Industry 4.0. But with this evolution comes new challenges. Technical expertise is centralizing, often off-site, and leak testing is often outside an organization's core engineering discipline. Support is needed around the clock, and the workforce is constantly developing. Hi, I'm Carl Cooklands, Global Product Manager for Process Instrumentation and Medical Technology at PAC. And I'm excited to welcome you to a new video series introducing the next frontier in leak testing for manufacturing, Astra Dash. Conceived around the three pillars of flexibility, scalability, and reliability, the system features a modular, pneumatically independent design and a powerful, intuitive user interface. Unlike other testers, Astra Dash can adapt to your production needs, whether you're running a single line or managing multiple shifts across the globe. At the heart of Astra Dash is the control core. Equipped with a large 22-inch full HD multi-touch display, it's glove compatible, built with strengthened glass and designed for industrial environments. The control core manages all pneumatic distribution and houses up to 4 modular channel boxes, each a fully configured leak tester in itself. This modularity means you can quickly swap channel boxes to minimize downtime and maximize productivity, or flex your production line on demand. Astra Dash's proprietary operating system delivers a best-in-class user experience. The home screen interface can be customized to show the right information to the right user. The flat menu design ensures you never get lost in navigation. The test method wizard takes the guesswork out of new applications. And with over 2,000 storable programs, there's virtually no limit to your testing capabilities. If you've ever wanted to integrate your data collection or test program selection, it's never been easier or more seamless than with Astra Dash. Supporting a wide range of communication protocols, including Ethernet, Modbus, Profinet, as well as direct digital I/O, Astra Dash makes it easy to connect your QMS and MES platforms. Advanced authorization and authentication features provide robust security and control, whether you want a local authorization at the instrument or network-based LDAP credential management. The next frontier in leak testing is here, and it's called Astra Dash. We invite you to explore its features in depth in our upcoming video series, where we'll dive into each capability to show you how Astra Dash can transform your manufacturing process. Thanks for watching. To learn more, visit uson.com/Astra Dash to download a brochure or schedule a demo. We'll be here, helping you move your operations forward safely and sustainably.